How you install these gutter guards. Really simple. You just slide it up underneath the shingle, push it all the way to the next one, snap it on just like that. Couldn't be easier. I did it with one hand. Really simple for all the homeowners trying to save themselves some money, or for anyone out there trying to start a little side hustle. Easiest thing you can do. All right guys, if you guys want to know how to do your leader shingle right here, first I just run my shingles like normal. Of course, before I put this side on, I put one shingle going that way. Now, before I start putting these shingles, I just put one. Put my leader shingle right here, cornered it up real nice. Like that. That's how you do your leader shingle. Now what you do is just start shingling into the valley. Está bien. Más seis de todo, más fotos. Ahí. straight. With this. Alright guys, this right here is exactly why I start every roof I do in the left hand corner. This guy's obviously right-handed just like me, so every time he puts on a shingle he has to let go of his gun because he's starting in the right hand side. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how and why I start in the left hand side right now. Alright guys, obviously I'm starting in the left hand side of the roof, that way I can grab my gun with my right hand full time and with my left hand. So first off, a lot of people don't know this, these guns have a gauge on them, so you can measure where you're going to put your shingle. That way you just put your shingle right up to the gun, and then you gauge it with your left hand. That way I never have to let go of my gun. That's how you do it the right way. Alright guys, this is how you start off in a hip. First you put your first shingle as far this way as you can, where it's not entirely starting with the hip. Next you're just gonna want to make your steps. So space out about 6 inches to make the step. Let's got that on. Over. Right. Just like that. Now, if I did it correct, you should line up perfectly to make your steps.